Hello, it's Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Are you looking for a colorful tree? Gives you all kinds of blooms this summer, but doesn't get too big, doesn't mind bad soil, can be planted in tight little compact areas? Here it is, the Crape Myrtle, Legostroma indica, comes in all kinds of different colors. Really wonderful summer bloomer. Doesn't mind those 100-degree summers. It is a deciduous tree, so it's actually great because it gives you summer shade. And in the winter, when it's bare, the sun goes through. I always recommend to folks that you plant this kind of a tree on that southwest corner of your patio or your house, where it can give you that maximum shade in the summertime, as well as those colorful flowers, and then let it come through. This one's a new variety called Black Diamond. It has these cool, really dark foliage and the dark red flowers. It's really kind of neat. But again, comes in about a dozen different colors, variations of reds and pinks and maroons and burgundies and whites. Most of these have actually American Indian names: Muskegee, Tuskegee, Natchez, some really great colors. So definitely check out some of the varieties available where you live. Primarily a single trunk tree. You can also get it as a multi-trunk. As a multi-trunk, it's going to be a little bit smaller, about 15 by 15. As a single trunk tree, it's going to be closer to 20 feet wide by 20 feet tall. But it's big, easy color in the summertime. That's why I always recommend it for compact areas. Doesn't bust up the hardscape, so it's safe to put by a patio or a driveway. Just be aware that, at the end of summer, it drops all those flowers, and then in the fall, it drops all those leaves. But it can be a little messy in that regard, but it's just such great color. I love this tree. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget that hit that like, hype, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you've ever used this and what your favorite variety is. And good luck with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Oh, yes, and also check out the links in the comment section to get some more information about this tree and even where you can order this tree. Again, this is the Crape Myrtle. Legostroma indica is the botanical name. Well, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching.